Now it's Ask the Dietitian with Sally Sawaya from Sally's Diet Right.
So you can find Sally online at Sally's Diet Right with the right spelt R-I-T-E. That's sallysdietright.com, or on Facebook. It's the easiest thing, Facebook. And if you have a question for Sally, she can answer your questions on Facebook or here, 03-887-000. So Sally, do you have your top 5 things this morning?
Yes, Gavin.
And what is it this morning?
It's the top 5 things you need to look at on a nutrition label.
But they're always so tiny, and I don't take my glasses to the supermarket, and so it's too small.
Well, take your glasses to the supermarket.
Gavin.
Okay, I will. So the top 5 things we need to look out for on the labels, the nutrition labels.
Yeah, those are so confusing sometimes.
Yes, but first you need to look at the front and you see like the claims, the big claims. Don't be misled by those claims.
Is this number 5, by the way?
Yes.
Because we need to start the music.
I'm sorry, Gavin.
So number 5 are your top 5 things.
Don't be misled by claims.
Okay.
Which means when they write on for example, 30% less fat, it doesn't mean that it doesn't have fat at all. And it doesn't mean it doesn't have sugar. So be careful. I mean, if it's low fat, it doesn't mean it's low in calories.
These are just things to get your attention.
Yes, exactly.
And sometimes that they add extra sugar and extra salt to make it taste better when they take the fat away.
100% true,
So you do have to be careful. Number 4.
Number 4, take a look at the calories per serving.
Okay.
So normally it's written on the first 2 lines. Just check how many calories. For example, if it's 100 calories per serving.
Okay.
But what is a serving?
Serving.
They usually explain it.
Yes, they'll
mention.
For example, it's a half a cup or 1 cup of cereals, for example. Then you know that you have to take a serving.
Okay.
So just check. If it's 200 a serving, that's really too much.
The things we need to look out for on nutrition labels, number 3.
Okay, now you need to check, like we said, the serving size and how much you eat of that product.
Okay.
So if it's a yogurt pot and it's really big, and it's like they put in 1 serving 120 calories, but it's actually 2 servings, so you're consuming double that calories. So just
you
be
have to do
aware.
some math.
Yes, and be aware. And for example, a chocolate bar. It happened to me.
Yeah.
They said it was 120 calories per serving. I said, "Wow, this is a small chocolate bar. It's great, 120 per chocolate bar." And then I knew that that chocolate bar is 2 servings. So I'm eating 240 calories.
They try and trick you. It's evil.
Yes.
That's really bad.
So you have to be careful about that.
Yes, exactly.
So don't be tricked by these things. Number 2.
Number 2, okay, calories is not the only thing that you need to look at. Look at the things that you need to reduce in your diet, like the saturated fat, cholesterol, sodium, and sugar, Gavin. So if you're looking at sugar, just make sure that the 1 serving doesn't contain more than 5 grams.
Okay, so 1 serving should have 5 grams or less.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And last
Number
but not
1.
least, okay, take a look at the nutrients that you need to increase in your diet.
Like
for
vitamins.
example, vitamin A, that's written on the label. Vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, iron, all these are good, and you need to look at the percentage that it, for example, this 1 serving of yogurt gives you, for example, 20% of your calcium, which is good. Yeah, which is good. So take a look at these and make sure they are high in a product that you're buying. And when you're comparing products, just compare 100 grams per 100 grams of the other, and then you can make the right choice.
Okay, excellent.
So thank you. So I will be checking the nutrition labels on products in the future.
Yeah.
I'll take my glasses and I'll have my glasses on like a little string, like grandma. Every time I need to use them, I'll sort of put them up. Oh, let's have a look. It's a good idea. Looks cool.
Definitely very cool.
So Sally is here from Sally's Diet Right.
7 4 in the morning.
If you have a question, 03-887-000. Jabberwocky, it's Photomation.
Now it's Ask the Dietitian with Sally Sawaya from Sally's Diet Right.
So thank you for your questions this morning. Somebody had a really interesting tip. If you're in the supermarket and you don't have your glasses with you, use your smartphone to zoom in on the nutrition labels.
Yeah, that's really smart, actually.
It's a good idea.
Really good idea.
So many questions on 03-887-000. We won't be able to get through all of these questions, but if you send a question today, check out Sally's Facebook page to get the answer if we don't actually get your question today.
Well, actually, somebody was just wanting, they wanted a clarification about the serving sizes. We were just talking about the nutrition labels. So how exactly do you know how many servings each package is? She says, or this person says, that the pack doesn't say it, but I think it does.
It's normally written on the top. However, sometimes because the whole packet is one serving, they don't write. Maybe this is the case.
Okay.
But they normally write the nutrition facts per 100 grams. If the package is like 50 grams, just half the amount, and then you'll get the right answer.
Okay. Somebody's asking about chocolate. How bad is it to eat chocolate late at night?
Okay. We always recommend to eat sweets during the day because you are more active and you tend to burn the extra calories more efficiently.
Yeah.
However, if it's once in a while and you eat like a small piece, like 20,
You're
less
allowed
than
a
20
little
grams.
guilty piece.
Yeah, it's okay if it's once in a while, but if you have a lot of chocolate at night, then you'd better visit the gym even late at night and burn off those extra calories.
Okay. What about frozen yogurt as a snack? Is it good for you?
Well, actually, I like frozen yogurt when it's low fat. It's really a better option than eating regular ice cream. However, as Gavin always says, like, be careful about the sugar, and it's true because sometimes they are loaded with sugar.
Okay.
So just be aware of that.
Okay, so maybe you can have it with like natural fruits or something like that.
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Well, it's the actual stuff. The actual frozen yogurt is full of sugar.
So the way it's made. Yeah.
03-887-000 is our WhatsApp number.
What about ginger that comes with the sushi? Is that good for you?
It's actually very tasty. Everybody loves this one, but it's marinated in vinegar and sugar.
Oh.
So yeah, I actually discovered that recently. So every 2 tablespoons of those ginger contains 1 teaspoon of sugar, about 5 grams of sugar.
That's a lot of sugar.
And it's 20 calories.
And the sushi already contains sugar anyway.
Yes. So you're going over the top here. But I mean, don't exceed 4 tablespoons. So this way you don't have more than 40 calories from those
maybe
ginger.
like one of those little cups that they give you? Just
maximum,
one?
yeah.
Okay.
How many teaspoons of sugar does one piece of sushi have?
Sugar, I'm not 100% sure, but calorie-wise, it's between 35 and 45 calories.
Oh, that's fine. That's not too bad.
It's okay.
Yeah.
But it's because the rice, I guess.
Yeah.
You're talking about the rice
But
being
sometimes they add, it's not only about the rice, it's about sometimes they add cheese, a spread cheese or mayo to them and lots of ingredients. When it has lots of ingredients, it has more calories.
Yeah. What about different kinds of teas? Sage tea and boiling citronella leaves. Do they have benefits, these two things?
Yes, both of them are really very healthy because they have medicinal properties. They're rich in antioxidants, essential oils, and it has like an anti-inflammatory properties. So both of these actually are soothing to the stomach and the digestive system.
Yeah.
So that's why they're really beneficial.
One person has a really weird question. Hello, guys. I started a diet and exercise a month ago, and I'm gaining weight instead of losing weight. Is this normal?
It's not that normal. I mean, it's not normal because even if you are going to the gym and building your muscles, you may gain a maximum of 1 to 2 kilogram of muscle mass and water mass. So, but normally, in general, you lose about 3 to 4 kilos every month.
Yeah.
So at least you need to see a difference of 1 to 2 kilos per month. You need to see that reduction.
So what's going wrong?
So the problem, it may be that the diet is not right for him, or because the scale, his scale at home is not that accurate. So just take a reference your clothes, how they fit on you. I think because lots of scales at home, they're not that accurate.
Okay. Someone else is asking, I'd like to ask Sally if it's fine to eat fruits just after 1 hour of doing treadmill. So is it healthy as a snack, post-treadmill snack, to eat some fruit?
Yes, it's very healthy because it helps replenish your glycogen stores. Yes, it's really healthy. You do that.
Okay. Someone's asking, I went down from 96 kilos to 88 kilos, but I got stuck there. It's playing now between 88 and 89 for like 3 months. And even though I'm eating low fat and almost 5 meals a day, what should I do? I saw what should I do?
Okay, so he's on a plateau. Is it? It's a he or she.
I'm not sure.
I think it's mostly a plateau that you need to break that plateau. You need to change the way you eat and the way you exercise. So first, it's good that he's taking 5 small meals, but make sure to drink more water. Have 3 cups of green tea every day. Change the quality of the food that you're eating. And make sure that you exercise and build your muscle mass, because when you build your muscle mass, you boost your metabolism.
Okay. Someone's asking about mar'u bread. Is it better than white bread?
Definitely better than white bread.
Okay. So we like mar'u.
We
right?
like mar'u, but be careful. I mean, read the label again. Make sure that it's made from whole wheat, not like white flour and then bran added. So it's better to be from the whole wheat. And do not have all your bread from mar'u because it contains a lot of salt. So be able to spread. So that's why just have it occasionally. Yeah, it's a good option.
Someone's asking, where does peanut butter stand in the low-fat diet? Is it good, peanut butter?
Yes, it is good because if it's natural peanut butter, it is really good because the oils in peanut butter are the healthy oils that are good for the heart, good for your skin, and good for your body.
But how can we tell if it's natural or not natural?
Does it say on the label?
It says on the label, and again, check the ingredients. Make sure it doesn't contain any hydrogenated vegetable oil on the back of the pack.
Okay, hydrogenated vegetable oil. I'll try and
oils.
remember that.
So it has oils on its own. No need to add extra oils.
Okay.
Especially the hydrogenated is the bad fats we're talking about.
Someone said they saw an article on Facebook where drinking any drink that had ginger reduces iron sustainability. Is that true?
Actually, I only saw one study that showed that ginger helped in the absorption of iron. It's actually the opposite what he said. The thing is that be careful that for ginger, high amounts may interfere with some medication. So if you're on some medicines, just ask your doctor if it's okay to have ginger or not.
Well, thank you very much for all your questions. We have about 30 more.
About 900 more. They keep coming in.
Sorry, we can't get to those, but thanks for those this morning. And Sally can answer your questions on her Facebook page.
Yes, definitely. Sally's Diet Right. Right is spelled RITE.